Alright guys, back here with another video. I'm at my dad's shop right now. He just left. He's going to, with his mom and dad, to look at like a washer and dryer real quick. But here's the car, we painted it. It's, filthy right now, but it's like really dusty. But we got the rear end fixed and the rear end's in. We got the 5-lug, the shocks, the springs. We got to bleed the brakes, put them on, and then put the slicks on, and then we're done. And then after that, we are going this Thursday to the track. It is Saturday. We're going this Thursday to the track. We gotta get the hood up. We gotta get the hood on, and we gotta get the switch panel in. I'll go show y'all the hood real quick. Got this door here. I'm not really for sure where the hood is, but I think it should be in this building, unless it's sitting outside. It must be sitting outside. This building right here is where I did all the work. All that stuff right there wasn't here, and I parked the car right there, and I done all the sanding and all that stuff on it. There's the back spoiler. I'm not putting that on because I don't like it. I can't go out that door. So I have to go around. He's got all his tires back here. Around here. Yeah, it's sitting right here. Here's the hood. I actually got to sandblast the little clips, and I got to sandblast the clips and paint them, and then I got to put all them back in. Then it's good to go. Then we got to do everything. So the hood, it looks really good in the sun. The car, it looks pretty good in the sun too. The car is, we painted it in this building too, and it's just, the car's got a lot of trash in it, but oh well, I guess. But I guess it's fine. But this is just a short clip. I might film a little me and Dad putting it back together or something, I don't know, but I'll let y'all know here in a little bit. So peace. Alrighty guys, I'm back. We got it on the ground. Dad did a little burnout to see if the brakes worked good, and I think they do. Sitting on the ground on the new wheels, or on the wheels. Let's try to we got to do the switch panel, which is in the office, and we're going to do that sometime this week. And we got to do the hood, and then we're done. But here's the switch panel right here, and then I'll show you the other one when I get it in and everything. And here's my helmet, rev limiter, and everything. Put that sticker on there. Here's the rear end. So yeah, but I'll get back to y'all when, I don't know, but I'll get back with y'all later. So yeah, peace.